sea learning. Over the years, we are here at a point where we can truly bring it globally.
Develop out strategies so that you can actually bring this into your community. So there'll be questions like, what are some of the challenges or barriers that you face based on whatever content item that you've been presented?
In 2017, as we were training some of the educators how to teach sea learning, we realized that it was impossible for our small team to be able to travel and offer these workshops in places where they were receptive of, even though at a very early age. But thanks to the others who have suggested us and given us the necessary support to create an online platform.
Education is very, very important role to get understanding the reality and combine the sense of responsibility, that's compassion combined. So therefore, I really appreciate Emory University and concerns for people who really now pay attention for that. The result may not achieve next week, but I think next generation will come more sensible human being, more compassionate human being. Then not only individual